Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to talk to you guys about a little bit about the Xrp chart, how Xrp had a little pump today on a little pump and dumpage type of news today on Xrp just right after my video. I guess that was a good time just to make that video. Completely luck. They didn't know that was going to happen for sure. I want to pick a winner for the SafePal wallet. We're gonna go ahead and pick two of those because the team said, hey, look, we're gonna match you on that. So shout out to the SafePal team over there, and you guys also remember, keep a lookout for that SafePal token. Also, after that, I want to talk a little bit about AGI and this AGI news into phase 2 and AGI working with Cardano, because Cardano was going to allow AGI to do what they want to do better than Ethereum. What? This is the first time we actually see a project really come out and say, hey, something is better than Ethereum, and we're going to go to it. Actually, a lot of projects actually said that, but not in the way that AGI does it. And I want to talk a little bit more about the AGI proposal that is causing a little bit of controversy and my thoughts on that. So if you're excited about that video, if you're excited about alt season, if you've been making money in these altcoins, let me know what altcoin has been making you money in this market, because right now, if you're losing, I don't know what you're doing. A lot of these coins have just been pumping all across the board. So like the video, subscribe to the channel, and welcome if you're new here. And when I say altcoins have been going crazy, look, this is the Bitcoin chart that I had drawn, and I put this big old triangle in here and said, look, I just hope that Bitcoin goes like this and ranges like this for a little bit, and then altcoins could take off and that will look nice. Well, hopefully it does something like that. Not sure if it's going to, but I made this chart a long time ago messing around, and it came down exactly to this green line right here. That was some previous resistance from before at 29,000. But it is ranging in these ranges. So Bitcoin dominance is doing what it does, going back and forth. But like I said, Bitcoin dominance is not really mattering right now because the total 2 overall is in a uptrend, and that's what it is. This purple line right here is my uptrend line for that total 2. As long as we don't drop below this, I'm just like, hey, altcoins still looking good. Still looking good. And if you don't believe me, come on Binance, click the 24-hour change and scroll down, and you can see that there's a lot of double-digit green on the 24-hour. You have to scroll for days. All these trading pairs until you finally get to some single-digit greens, and then those even go for a little bit. So there's a lot of green in the market. There's also a lot of red in the market, because when there is pumps, there is dumps, and when there is dumps, there's pumps, as all the traders will say. Next thing I want to talk about is AGI. So AGI is preparing for massive token utilization on Singularity Net Layer 2 as we work with IOHK to create a decentralized AI ecosystem with trillions of AI API calls. Trillions of calls. Now, AGI and the token is going to be all over these trillions of calls that is going to be going down on the AGI network. So that's pretty cool. They have ideas and everything going on. I know those guys are smart. I know they've been working and using their technology in a lot of different places. And also, there's something about this whole thing that is a little bit controversial. So with the phase 2, there's a proposal that AGI Foundation wants to mint 1 billion new tokens. So that's doubling the token supply, and they want to do that in order to push things forward so that they can handle and keep up with the innovation and with the other competitors that are in the artificial intelligence space, and one of those competitors that I'm into right now is NIOTX. So that's a coin that I just invested into recently, in case you wanted a little breadcrumb of a low cap gem video coming later. But yeah, Singularity.net wants to mint all these new tokens, and I'm not really sure how I feel about that. I don't really like when tokens go to minting tokens as their form of creating revenue, or like creating money for the company that they can use to get things done. I feel like there's probably better ways that they can try to come up with more money, but being that it's decentralized and being that they need money to push things forward, I don't know, but the cool thing about it is the team came out and said, hey, look, even though we're printing more tokens, I think that with the utilization that's coming and all of the things that we're going to be able to do with Cardano and all the things being built, I don't think you're going to have trouble accepting the fact that we are minting more tokens. They did some calculations that I think it's gonna, if it goes down by half, it should go up by double that, or something like that. Something, the calculation. Basically, they're saying you're gonna have still double your money at the end. That might run them into some security issues, but they have some good lawyers over there, and they were working it out the best way that they could. They're also saying that a piece of those tokens are gonna get airdropped to the stakers and to the holders, to the AGI holders. So if you're holding AGI, then you're going to get a piece each month when these tokens are released each month. So these billion tokens are not going to be released all at once. They're going to be released over a 5-year period every single month. So if you're an AGI holder, I'm not sure how you feel about that. I had some people tell me, hey, I'm down with it. I had some people tell me, hey, I sold a lot of my AGI tokens because I don't want to deal with them just minting more tokens and stuff like that. So I think it's very, very interesting in what they're trying to do, especially with the fact that they're going over to Cardano, because I'm also invested in Cardano, and I think Cardano is going to do some pretty cool things in the future. So yeah, the last thing I want to talk about, this Xrp chart. So Xrp just so happened to pump right after I dropped my Xrp video, saying that their case might be they might have a good time with their case. My bad, I'm just drawing blanks today. They might have a good time with their case, but we'll see. They're both arguments are really strong. I read both of the arguments and the rebuttal, and they're both really strong, so we'll see what happens. This pump is based on the news that Wall Street Bets is trying to supposedly they're trying to pump XRP, that there's a pump of XRP coming. Now, this type of stuff is illegal. These are pump and dump groups, and they might get in trouble for trying to try to do this stuff, and it's going to give the SEC more fuel to try to crack down and do what they need to do to these people. But it is nonetheless very interesting because, as of right now, it seems like they can't stop Wall Street Bets and these people. Now, XRP, could it continue up? Sure, it could continue up, but it got overbought, so it had to cool off a little bit. If it is creating some type of pattern right here, that will be a pretty ugly pattern, but maybe I can go to the 30-minute chart. Nonetheless, it is in an uptrend. So right now the market is very easy to work with right now because things are in an uptrend, and as long as things are in an uptrend, you're good. Like, it's in an uptrend, you can just hold it and it's going up. You don't have to worry. It's bull run. Things are in an uptrend. And if you're losing, like, readjust your strategy and stuff like that. Hit me in my DMs. Maybe I could help you out. Like I said, that's right. We're doing the giveaway. The giveaway for the wallet. Where's my SafePal? SafePal wallet. I actually like this better than the Ledger. I really do. And I'm not just gonna mail you this one is mine that I use. I'm going to send you one directly from the factory, and then the factory is going to send one to the second winner. So should I do both winners on this video, or should I do the winners on a different video? No, both winners on this video. Here's a random comment selector. Here is the video right here. Give me the URL. Dun da da da. Paste it. Let's see. Filter out duplicates. Include replies. Yep. And add extra entries. Let's do it. If you. Nah. Okay. Let's get the comments. There's only 19 comments. Ooh, a 2 in 19 chance. That's not bad. First winner is Birdman Charles Smith. Charles Smith, reply to your comment with your email, and we'll go ahead and get you your Safe Pal hardware wallet. Pick another winner. Should we pick another winner? You ready? Birdman. D. How are the banks related to Ripple dodging this lawsuit? Seems like a false flag event to push the price down before it does whatever it does. XRP is never a hodl. XLM has more potential in my portfolio. Somebody mentioned, you know, one of my boys mentioned that XLM is not a competitor to XRP because they're doing different things, and I agree, but they also are doing the same thing, so it goes both ways. But yeah, I do like XLM better as a whole, just because they don't have this whole case issues and the ups and downs is emotionally draining and stuff like that. So D, comment on your comment and we'll get you that. I didn't even read Charles's comment. Let's see, I can check out Charles's comment right here. Charles said, always on point, my guy. Appreciate you, my man. So yeah, that's the giveaway. Like and subscribe, turn on post notifications. Hey, there's a lot more of this coming. Remember, when we get to 3,000, there's gonna be a Bitcoin giveaway. This is just small. So yeah, like and subscribe. You know, we're gonna have fun on this channel. We are gonna have a nice community of us together. So hit up that comment box if you got any questions and stuff like that. Till next time, peace.